You can also enable out plagiarism checker for your students inside of Google Classroom. For this, you do need a G Suite account because it does not work with a regular Google account Classroom at the time of this recording. So to enable the plagiarism checker for the students while you're actually going around and then creating assignments, you need to go around onto the classwork section right here. Then once you do that, you need to go around and click on the create button over here. And once you do that, choose assignment just like this. So once you do that, you can go around and say, please submit your assignment right here, just like this. And I'm going to say, please submit it in Google Docs document format. So I'm saying this, that is because the plagiarism checker actually only works with Google Docs document format. So over here, once I do this, you can see that check plagiarism is an option. So I can go around and click on this right here, and you can see that it says there's a limit of 5 assignments per class for plagiarism checker. So I'm just going to go around and click on continue right here. And what happens is that the plagiarism checker gets enabled out right there. So once that is done, I'm going to go around and click on assign over here just like this. And what happens is that the assignment is created and the plagiarism checker is enabled for that particular assignment right here just like this. So that is how you can go around and enable out the plagiarism checker for students while you're assigning them assignments from Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.